Hey YouTube, how's it going? Um, I just today I ended month number 2 of working out and everything. So it looks like it's time for another video. So let's see what's changed, I guess. Um, yeah, I'm definitely starting to see some size and stuff. It's nice, and after a nice ab running workout, I can see abs starting to poke through. It's way different than anything I've ever had happen before. So definitely feels really good. I am down to 155, which is why my pants do not stay up. Kind of a good thing, kind of a bad thing when you're a broke college kid like me who can't afford new clothes. So, yeah, not much has changed, growing a little, but other than that, no huge muscle gains. Definitely some strength gains, but mostly fat loss is what I've noticed the last month or so. So, yeah, see you guys in a month, I guess. If you have any questions or anything, go ahead and leave a comment and I'll answer them best I can. Alright, thanks very much.